How to lock Facebook profile. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Facebook. Click on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Click on Privacy Shortcuts, and then click on See More Privacy Settings. So over here, you can manage your preference on Facebook to customize your experience on Facebook. If you scroll down to Audience and Visibility, you'll see Profile Locking. Click on that. Now you'll see once you lock your profile, your photos and posts will be private. Only friends will see the posts and photos and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. You can learn more about what it means to lock your profile in the Help Center. To lock your profile, click on Lock Your Profile at the bottom. For more privacy features, click on How People Can Find and Contact You. So you can set how people find and contact you by just clicking on these options and then selecting Friends of Friends. So you can do this for each of these options. So you can select it according to your preference. So you can go back and do this for each of the options here. You can click on Post and set it for only friends, and do the same for stories, reels, followers and public content, profile and tagging, and active status. So this is how to lock your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.